Hey, let me show you how you can cast YouTube application from your Redmi Note 13 into your TV. So first of all, on your Redmi Note 13, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network, and to the same Wi-Fi network, you have to be connected also on your TV. So next, you have to open the YouTube application. And now if I want to cast, for example, this video, I have to click on this icon. And from this, I have to just click on my TV. And also there's the second method that you can link TV with the code. So when you click right here, you get actually information that on your TV, you have to navigate into the YouTube application. Then you have to move into the left side on the TV, on the YouTube app, go to the settings. You have to open the settings and you have to find this option, link with the TV code. And now when you input this TV code into this frame, you can actually click to link, and you will be actually automatically connected. So it's really useful when your TV is actually not available by using this cast function. And yeah, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.